Did you give him blowjob? Was it in the car? Was it in the room? Was it in the office? And the rest. At this point, you just tell him, I made a mistake. This is how you will save your marriage if you are caught cheating as a wife. So, intending newly married couples, especially the women, this is for you. I know sometimes we make mistakes. Nobody's bigger than mistakes. We all make mistakes. But what to do after the mistake, it's a big challenge. Most people don't know what to do after the mistakes, especially women, when they are caught cheating. So in this content, I'll be sharing with you what you need to do in order to save your marriage after cheating. The first thing you should do after cheating on your husband and being caught is never stop apologizing. Never stop seeking for forgiveness. Most women, when they are caught cheating, instead of making move to save their marriages, they start giving excuses. You did it first. I forgive you. Why are you not forgiving me? Giving reasons to justify the actions. Don't do that. When you're caught cheating, ask for forgiveness. I know some men can be so violent that they will abuse you physically. At this point, I will encourage you to take some step backward, withdraw from him, maybe go back to your parents' house, but don't stop asking for forgiveness. He might ask you, okay, tell me why you did it. How did he do you? Did he give you doggy? Did you give him blowjob? Was it in the car? Was it in the room? Was it in the office? And the rest. At this point, you just tell him, I made a mistake and acknowledge I've done something wrong. And this is a memory I don't want to have again or remember. Keep asking for forgiveness. Keep apologizing. Baby, I'm sorry. It's a mistake. I will never do it again. The second thing you will do in order to save your marriage if caught cheating is to take actions that lessen his pains. Let's say you withdrew, went to your parents' house. Even when you're going out, send him a text. I want to go to the market to get so thing, this and this, this and this. In 30 minutes, I'll be coming back. Let him know that you're taking actions to easing the pains. Let him know that you're taking action so that such thing will never repeat itself. You'll be wondering, he's there now, I'm here now. Why should I let him know? These are actions you're taking to lessen the pain so that he knows that you are committed, you made a mistake, you are committed to making things work. The thing to do in order to save your marriage after cheating on your husband is give yourself time. It will take patience. It will take time for that wound to be healed. I'm telling you the truth. It will take time. It will take time. I can't just help but keep emphasizing this. It will take time. Give yourself time. It might be 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. I don't know how long it will take. But if you apply all this, it will definitely work. This is not the time for you to just apologize 1 week, forget. Keep apologizing. Keep showing that you want to be part of his life. Keep showing that both of you have a life as husband and wife. Don't listen to those people that will tell you move on, this and that. Yes, it might come to a time that you will move on, but not just 3 months, not just 6 months, not just 9 months, not just 1 year, if it's not working. But I know that if you put all these things into practice and have patience with yourself and also back up with prayers, it will definitely work. Your marriage will be restored. If you found this content helpful, subscribe, follow. Thank you. This is all for now.